it's Carly from The Not Twins. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my It's Fall Somewhere lookbook. Fall is my favorite season, so I wear fall all year round. This is what I'm going to be showing you today, is my favorite fall all the time outfits I got. Before I show you my epic fall outfits, I'm gonna show you my only spring things I own. You ready? Got them. This is one of my only spring shirts I own. Catch it back. Oh yeah. And then we use this for our Peter Pan video, but this is the only other one I got. They're actually really cute, but I only own these because sometimes there's our total family, it's 7 of us, so sometimes I have to look normal with everybody else. Otherwise, let's slide into our video. I'm gonna push you back. Ah, ta-da! Now you can see my whole outfit. This is my first outfit and probably my favorite out of all of them. I am going to explain it as I start off touching myself because this is really soft. So knitted sweaters are always in, forever and always. They're just cute and comfy, and who doesn't like cute and comfy mixed together? This is my burnt orange, probably my favorite color in the whole wide world. And so I have this from Cotton Candy LA, on an LA trip I took with my brother. Then I have these stripy pants, which coincidentally matched the sweater. Did not even do that on purpose. And so these are actually super cute, and the big flowy pants are in, so if you see when I move, they're big and flowy. Got those at Tilly's. Now you can see my cute boots. Got these buckled boots at Payless. Just kind of a fall neutral, anytime. Actually, you can wear it for any season you want. So I use these boots for everything. And that is the first fall outfit of my many outfits of fall for all the time. We're gonna slide into the next one. Slide. Watch out! Here's my second outfit. I've actually never paired this before. Hannah helped me. This is my sweater jacket. My mom actually found this from Macy's, and she's like, you gotta get this, and so I got it. And I love it, and it's really soft, and like I said, it's from Macy's, and it's a sweater jacket, so it's like open in the front, so I can show off my mustard shirt, which I love. I got this from Tilly's. It's a high neck, which I really like high necks, and they're also in right now. And it's a crop top for my high-waisted jeans. These high-waisted jeans I got from Tilly's for my birthday. And they have this cool line down the middle, which I absolutely loved, and that was trending a lot. And now I finally got myself a pair of cool pants. And the awesome thing about these is I have really short legs, and they don't sell short pants at Tilly's. So I found these short pants that work with these shoes, because now you can see my whole ankle and my shoe and these cool green shoes, which I don't know where I got them. They're really old. On to the next one. Yes! Here is my third outfit. It's almost all exactly the same color, which I didn't plan again. I just like the same color. I got this from Tilly's. It's a crop top with little ruffles on it, which I think is super cute. And it's green, which matches the screen. Well, I guess it's not green, it's pine. We'll call it pine. You can see color. I can see color, it's pine. And this, I got at Old Navy. It's my cape sweater. It's not actually, that's not what they call it, but I call it that because it feels like an invisible cape when I'm walking. So I'm always wearing a cape, but nobody knows it. And then I got my high-waisted pants on from the same one I had last time with a cool stripe and the holes in them. And I got myself some Uggs from Costco. They're just tan suede with some fur on the bottom. Anyways, that is my third outfit. On to the next one. This is my fourth outfit. This is my green once again, because it's my second favorite color sweater, and it has like mis-knitted holes. I don't know what else to call this, but it's my cool sweater, so whenever I want to feel like a cool kid, I'm like, I'm gonna put on my cool crop top sweater. And I am wearing that Tilly's thing under it because there's holes in it, which I didn't realize, so that's kind of important. I got my same line pants on with the cool holes and the nice size, and my Costco boots. That is my fourth outfit. Moving on to the fifth. And we're back because I forgot to tell you. I got a hoodie to make me look all mysterious. Ooh. Hiya! My fifth outfit. One of my more casual, cool outfits as well. These overalls are from Old Navy. I love them. They're actually super cute. And then I got this flower, once again, mustard. Mustard is just the color that's in. A fall flower floral kind of shirt with some off the shoulders because that looks good with overalls. So I got that from Tilly's. The overalls are from Old Navy. These are my red boots. Hannah says they're not red, but I don't know what else to call them. And so these are from Payless. I love them so much. I wear them with almost everything. So this is my 5th fall forevermore outfit. Hi! Huzzah! Here is my 6th fall forever outfit. It's only one piece, so I don't have to describe it to you too much. I have the same bralette I've been wearing because I love this one with the strings from Tilly's. And then this romper is from Tilly's. This is actually one of my only, mostly possibly spring outfits that I can actually wear in the spring because it's springy. It's a floral jumpsuit, and I love jumpsuits. Well, it has a cutout in the front, and I think it's really cool. And it's just a nice flowy pants. And you'll see my pants are flowing.
It looks like a dress.
It does look like a dress. But anyways, I think it's really cute, and it's got the wide-legged pants, and it's like upper ankle height, I guess. Is that a thing?
Sure.
And I'm wearing my Payless boots, the red, orange, copper colored ones. So anyways, this is my whole outfit. Now on to the second one. Hi! This is my 7th outfit. I got it from Tilly's. Once again, I'm wearing, you can't really see it, can you? My tan bralette with the strings. I love it. And I actually really like the back of this top because it's all crisscrossy and stringy. I love crisscrossy things. I don't know why, but I just do. This is a very in spring outfit. The only one I have, which I can also wear in the fall sometimes. It's vertical straps, which are very flattering. And then it has this cute little bow thing in the front. And once again, the pants are also the same. I don't know what's up with this mid-ankle height, but I love it for my short legs because I fit in all the clothes. And then I have these super old cutout shoes from Payless. Anyways, these can go with pretty much anything. This is my 7th outfit. You can look at it from around and the side and it looks great. I'm gonna slide out to the next one. Hey, this is my 8th outfit. I got it from Tilly's. Once again, it's the burnt orange. Finally, they figured it out. It's the best color in the world. It's vertical stripes like the other one, and it's a really nice V-cut. I love V-cuts actually. And watch my sleeves, I can fly away with them. I really like the vertical stripes because they're quite nice. That's all I have to say. I love this outfit. So moving down, I have a little bowstring. All the pants have this bowstring and I love it. These brown boots are from Payless as well. So love it, Payless, woo! The video is almost over. We're on the last outfit. Congratulations to me. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, ha! Here is my final 9th outfit of my Forevermore fall lookbook. I got this at Old Navy, this nice blue sweater. It's kind of a simple piece. I don't have many simple pieces, but I got one now. That's good. And it goes super well with my Tilly's jumpsuits I have on my bralette with this. Once again, the vertical stripes are in and the orange is in. I love it so much. And it's got the little bow. I was telling you, every single one's got this little bow thing. And I love it so much. Hand down, down, down. And it's got the mid-ankle height. Well, not quite. This is lower ankle. Ooh. And it's just kind of the nice flowy, because when I walk, I like to be flowy like this. See, I can walk some samba in this. And I got my socks on. My boot socks from Payless. And once again, the shoes are from Payless. I only buy shoes from Payless because I love them. So it's kind of a great all-around Forevermore fall outfit. This is my fancy one. I got one fancy outfit for when I go fancy places like Peter Pan. I went to see Peter Pan and I wore this. Thanks for watching my Forevermore fall video, which is what I'm calling it now. I know it was long, so if you watched it all the way through, I love you. You're amazing. This is like my outfits that I wear. I love them. I will wear them forever until I don't fit in them. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below which outfit your favorite one was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And which piece you would buy. Which one would you get for you? So thanks for watching, and like the video and comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Bye. You can still see my hands. Now I'm gone.